In this fast-paced, hectic and chaotic world that we live in, there are always too many things to do, too many places to be in, and too little time in hand. But there are things that we need to have time for. Fortunately, we have a few super awesome hacks that can be the answer to our busy lives. So let's begin. There's nothing more unsettling than starting your day with a dose of complete and utter chaos. Waking up late, ransacking your wardrobe and running out the door in an outfit you're uncomfortable wearing is a recipe for disaster. So to make this a little bit more organized, here's an easy hack that will help you dress quicker in the morning. Laying out tomorrow's outfit the night before is a great hack. Hang it on your cupboard and all you have to do is reach for it. A boxy shift dress with a little bit of a twist will totally take your look to the next level. All you have to do is turn your dress inside out, gather a 2-inch section in the middle, and tie a rubber band. Flip the dress inside out and voila, you're done. With this schoolgirl styling hack, you easily slay your outfit of the day. Most of us don't have the time to follow a 10-step skincare routine like they do in Korea. But a hectic schedule is no excuse to neglect your skin. And if you seriously have no time to take care of your skin, investing in a good and light moisturizer is the key. Just like Nivea Soft, which is an all-in-one cream with jojoba oil and vitamin E that refreshes your skin, leaving it soft and supple all day long. It's non-greasy, long-lasting, and its fast-absorbing formula makes this cream your go-to product through the day, making it the perfect partner to carry around easily for your skin. An emergency beauty kit is essential for a girl on the go. If you're heading out post-work or staying at a friend's house, you need to keep some must-have products with you to look your absolute best at all times. A blotting paper to get rid of the shine, 2-in-1 lip cheek tin that will reduce the amount of products you carry, sanitary napkin because no one likes a surprise call from Aunt Flo, and a light moisturizer for all your other needs are absolute essentials. Have these in your small makeup purse and you will be saying yes for everything anytime. While we all have our tricks and ways to tolerate a frizzy mane, one shouldn't have to go through a hair-raising thrill for the sake of it. A top knot is the best way to go when you simply have no time on your hands. Just pull all your hair into a ponytail, backcomb a few strands to give volume, wrap all your hair around, and then use bobby pins to secure the bun. A pro tip, always use bobby pins on top as well as on the bottom to secure the bun. Not all buns are created equal, and no one said they had to be neat or slicked back. Carrying everything becomes next to impossible when you're going out directly to party post-work. Smelling great is extremely important, so when days you're not carrying your perfume, the trick is to apply it to your pulse points before going to work. The pressure points naturally radiate heat, helping the fragrance evaporate, making the perfume last longer. But just in case the perfume wears off and you're not carrying one, a moisturizer can double up as a perfume. So pick and choose from these 3 Nivea Soft variants that are available and make your scent linger on and smell good all day. Adulting can be hard, but we hope these quick and simple hacks will help make it a whole lot easier. Make sure you share some of your go-to tips with us in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.